how to add music to your Instagram notes. Today in this video, we'll learn exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. First, go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure that you have your Instagram app updated, because this feature is only available in the latest versions of Instagram. Once you have that done, go ahead and open Instagram and then tap on the chat icon in the top right corner of the screen, and this will take you to the chat section. Once you get there, you might notice a lot of people already using this feature, so let me show you how to use it. First, tap on the plus button next to your profile picture, and then proceed in writing a normal note. But before posting it, you should tap on the music icon right here under your profile picture. From here, search for the song that you want to add. Once you find it, tap on it, and then drag right here on the bottom to choose the part of the music that you want to be added to your note. To save the changes, tap right here on the tick. Now, all you need to do from here is to tap on share in the top right corner, and your note should be shared with the music on it, just like that. Now, that is it for the video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.